to me.
Everybody needs to go in the club.
No, you don't wait. Don't wait.
Just go, so that way you shorten your respawn time as much as possible.
On the right.
Hit! Yeah, grab some rival rounds. Thank you. I hate the back of your shield. Hit. We lost it. Hit, Tarek. Tarek. Got you again. That was. Sorry, you're still alive, Green. That was friendly fire.
Oh, he's green?
Yeah. Hit. Hit on the leg. Hit out of darts.
Go.
He's dead.
Up front. They're charging.
Hit.
I got it.
I hit your arm. I hit your arm.
Get Tarek, get Tarek.
I'm out.
Hit Tarek on your leg. Watch.
Heads up. Relax.
Watch it. Watch the bush.
I think we're all just lighting him up.
Yeah. He's a high value target. Hit.
Oh,
Sling fire, hit. Sling fire. Hey, okay. Camo guy.
gentlemen in the camera.
Okay.
Go for it. Go for it.
Ah! Sorry. Hit, Jake. It's a chicken shoot, man. This is too good.
Slingshot's awesome.
Hit with the rival.
Hey, watch your right, watch your right. The red coats are coming. They're taking it? Did the red take it? They took it.
gotta recollect rival balls, man. Hit. Go change it on green.
We're on green?
I don't know.
Here.
Thank you so much. Yes! So much rival.
Got it.
I got it.
Here.
Thank you so much.
You're very welcome. I've been seeing a lot of those, so.
Awesome.
Oh, what, the balls?
Yeah.
Okay. You're still mean. You take the point.
Watch your left, watch your left. Anton's got a sledge. Oh!
Got you.
Random.
I'm a Nerf sniper.
Oh, this one.
Oh! 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 I shot the timer. That's one way to flip it.
Watch your right, watch your right. Watch your right, watch your right. I hit.
Hit. Hit. I hit you. Hey, you just flipped the point. Hit on your blaster. Hey, rival.
Hey, Caleb, get in there.
Shoot. Hit on the leg. Hey, flipping.
Got you.
Ah. 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 Hit. Recon. Hey, shoot the guy on the left. Hit, Kristen. Curves to the right, man. Man.
Oh, to get your heel?
I think they got him.
Yeah. I couldn't get a beat on them. Holy smokes! Were you guys hoarding the ball?
Huh?
That whole umbrella was filled with rival rounds. Oh wait, not all rival rounds.
Oh,